Is he suicidal? All those results revealed just moments ago. Fast and confident.
That was nice. That was nice.
Come on, here.
You got some dirty eyes, twice as nice.
Away from my stuff. Come on.
Honey, I want her over here. Get her over here. Honey, don't make her get off.
Reading from the official mental evaluation.
You got some dirty eyes too, baby girl. Yeah, you do, baby girl. Why you got some dirty eyes? Huh? You got some beautiful eyes, but they're dirty. They're dirty. That was nice. That was nice. Good thing your eyes clean up early. Hello, baby girl. Are you in heat, huh? Are you in heat, huh? Was nice. Dinky, what are you doing, Dink? Huh? You watching all this, Dink? Was nice.